Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to download, edit and upload worksheet or assignment on Between Us portal. I request to all parents, please watch this video and follow the steps. First you have to open any web browser. You can use Google Chrome, you can use Mozilla Firefox. So I'm using Google Chrome. In address bar, just type the website www.betweenus.in. Here you have to write down the student's ID. I'm using one. Once you type ID and password, click on login option. In the left side, find your student resource tab and click. You can see, scroll down. You can see here the student resources. Click on student resources. Once you click, just find cycle test and subject time in the middle layout. This is the middle layout. You can see the cycle test and subject. See here. Click on term 1. Which subject, worksheet or assignment you have to download. Just choose the subject. For example, I want to download computer subject to worksheet. So click on computer. Then again scroll down. You can see the topics. Choose which topic, which assignment you have to download. So functions and chart in Kelsey. Click on subject. In the right side corner, you can see here it is written download, choose file and upload. So first of all, you have to download the worksheet first. Okay, click on download option. Here it is given the download. Click on download. Once you download, it will be shown on the downloads file here. If you didn't find the file in the bottom side, so you can go on the this three dot option, go on the downloads, see this file. So open this file. Once you open, it is an editable file. You can select the answers and bold it. Choose any formatting. You can give any color also. If you don't require to do any formatting, you can delete all the options which are wrong. For example, I'm selecting the right answers only, the bold. Okay. Once you edited the file, so again you have to go on the menu bar and click on save option. Once you saved, close the document. Again, you have to go on that same Between Us website, choose file, click on the choose file option, select the path, where is your file. So for example, my file is in downloads of, I'll click on downloads. This is my file. So I'll select this file and click on open option. Once you click on open, then you have to click on the upload option. Click upload. Once you upload, the message will be shown you have submitted successfully. So your documents has been, or your worksheet has been successfully submitted. Click OK. Once you submit it, so here you can see all options are hide and it is showing the teacher's feedback. Once you uploaded worksheet or any assignment, please wait for the feedback from the teacher on viewing worksheet. Hope you understand the steps. Thank you.